Hello, yes, welcome to this continuation of this lesson on pandas. Okay, yes, we are still on pandas. Yeah, so today we are going to work on index in pandas. Index in pandas. Index in pandas. Index in pandas. Okay, so on index in pandas, what are we going to do? Yes, we need to select by look. Okay, select by look. What are we going to do? We start with, let's first of all import pandas as pd. Okay, now import pandas as pd. Let's read our file with csv file. So we have to go and copy the file on our desktop. This is the file. Last time we used the same file, so in the same file that we are using, we have to understand the file very well. Okay, paste the file here, then you place arrow in front, read it as raw data, then you run it. When you run it, the file will come out right there. So our objective is read index in pandas. So now at this point we have to start at as look, read as look in pandas. So df, at this point we have pd the read, so we have to take df is equals to this. So df is data frame is equals to this. Are we there? And now definitely if df equals to this, we say df dot look, df dot look, df dot look, df country, full, or for if you don't want to make any error, just copy it here. I wanted to look this country full. Okay, just copy it here. Don't want to make error. df the look country full. Okay, now let us now choose the name of a country, because we say we ask df to look country full. Let's say Germany. Okay, let's say Germany. Let's say J. Just copy it here. Copy. Germany. The look country full equals to Germany, comma, to Germany, comma, then total point. Wanted to verify is total point of Germany. Okay, move on. So at this point now Germany, we have Germany is not only in one position. Obviously, if Germany was in one position, we'll just have Germany at the point of 0. Because if you see this at the point of 0, we have Germany, but it's obviously showing that Germany has arrived in this same data set in various positions. At the position of 172, there is still Germany. Yes, because if you look at it very well, now we have 0, we have 172. There is Germany at the point of 0. This is Germany. It's showing that at the point of 172, there is also Germany. How do we need to know that? Let us take df dot head. Are we there? Let's say 173, 18. This this 172, at the point of 172, we have Germany again. So Germany arrived again at the point of 172. Are we together? Obviously, showing that Germany arrived also at the point of 377. So we have again Germany. All this point is occupied by Germany. Are we together? So that is how we used iloc in order to check our index. Okay, so we have checked the index at the position of Germany. Okay, so we call iloc on the country full, and the name is Germany. So we check now the total point. So now at the point of 0, what is the total point? Is 0, 0. At the point of this, so what is at the total point? Are we together? Yes. Okay. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay. Yes. We select by label. So let us select by position by using what? df dot using iloc. df dot iloc. Yeah. df. Let's say 0, comma df dot column. df dot column. Yes, df dot column dot get. df dot column dot get. We have get look, column dot get look, the look total point. So we have this total point. Just copy the total point for not making error. Okay, total point, just copy here. We want to get this total point, come and paste it here. df dot iloc 0, index 0, df dot column get iloc total point. Okay, we run the call. Oh, we have made an error. Oh, it was with oh, there's p. We omitted p. Sorry, omitted p. You look at now, they told us OTA. It was supposed to be total, omitted t. Okay, total. Okay, when there's an error, everything you see everything. Are we together? Yes. Okay, if you see, we ask of the iloc at the point of 0, index 0. This index 0. Are we there? So we ask the total point is 0. That is why it gave us 0 here. Okay, now let us ask now about previous point. Previous point. We see what is going to give us. Paste it there. 18. Previous point give us 57. Let's go back and check. This is 57. Are we there? Obviously, that is how. Now, if you check index, is that one was in the we were at index 0. If you go to index, let's say index 2, you fit 2 here. Index 2. Are we there? You run it. You have 50. Yes, on this since I said that this point here we have 50 already shown that we were in index 2. On index 2 we have 50, oh we were on what previous point 50. Okay, now let's move on what on index selection. Okay, yes, based on what condition. Okay, so now at this point let's bring this one back. We have the f we wanted to work conditional selection on what on total point the f total points. Conditional selection total point is greater than 0. We together. So if the total point is greater than 0, oh okay, total point greater than 0, we will run it. You look at now at this point our total point that is greater than 0. Are we together? So if you look at this is total point, you see 1596. Look at this point, total point 0. You see now. So we look for the index where the total point is greater than 0. So at this point now, we have first what the index where the total point is greater than 0. It already shown that it started from Netherlands, Spain, Germany, goes down. Okay, so you need to understand that Netherlands, there are so many of Netherlands, even Spain, because this is FIFA ranking. Okay, yes, they will move to certain index. We have to df dot set index set index rank index rank in place equals to true, in place equals to true. Yes, df dot set index rank in place equals to true. We want it. We have an error. Okay, they say DataFrame set index get in place keyword argument in place. So we did not spell the in place word. Okay, I do this so that you should see something. You should know on how to debug an error. Okay, so now fitna end at this position. They run it back. You see, when we run it now, it went well. So call df. So now at this point we have set in place. If you look at this point of rank, we are on rank started from your 1 right up to this. So look at from this point we have rank and we also have this number beside. So we have set in place equals to true. So at this point now you will not more see this again. That was the reason that you see that you are not seeing that number again, but you see now at the position of rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can still set in place of what, let's say country abbreviation. Let's set in place country abbreviation right there. Run it, run df. So at this point now in place country abbreviation. So we have placed in a country abbreviation now at this post. So that's how it is. We have set in place country abbreviation. We can still come back here. We set in place what? Let's say we come here. Okay, let's go this way. Let's say in place rank date. All together, rank date is the last column by the right. Come here and fit rank date here. Then you want it. Run now df. So you will see that now rank date now it is now the first column by the left side, because why we have set in place rank date. So that is how setting in place is like. Okay, then you can still call df. Just copy this and paste. You can call df reset. I mean reset. Over there. Reset index rank date in place. Over there. So how is it going to be? Corner df reset obviously mean that you have bring back this number that it was at the left hand side, the same as it was. So this one was there. So at that point when you set in place, we remove this. So if you reset means bring it back from its origin. Are we together? So if you ask him reset rank, it's going to do what? Bring it back from its origin at the point of how it was. Yes, we have made an error. So let's say request rank does not exist. Just copy it. Yeah, because we have already done it this way. So don't bother about this point. So if we need to reset this 2 years ago, are we there? At this point, you come here and you paste. Are we together? You set. You want to set that position. You set it. All together. So at this point, run. It's showing that what 2 years ago. So we have set it this way. So if you need to bring a given column by the left hand side, are we together? That is how you bring it, and you can still reset it back. Okay, so we have come to this our end of lesson. So we really thank your patience. Yeah, so make sure you follow up very keenly, then go behind. If you still have some leakage behind, make sure you go behind and learn with the other part, the other section that you will see backward. Okay, we are going to move according to your pace, so do not bother about anything. We are going to move according to your pace. Make sure you follow up gradual process. We are going to continue and complete the journey. Okay, yeah, take care. Don't forget to subscribe for the next lesson. We'll keep on working. Okay, make sure you hit the button, the like button, and hit the bell for any notification. Okay, yeah, take care. Bye bye.